Alrighty. Now this is the sandpaper pull. It's like having a miniature belt sander. Very controlled and precise. You know, you can cut your sandpaper 320 grit into whatever width you need, and you can go in whichever direction you need to go. It takes a long time, but like I said, it's very controlled. And if I go through the original lacquer for some reason and hit the color coat, I'll know right away because I can see where I'm at with each stroke. And it doesn't take too long. I get down to where I got it right there already, which is completely smooth. You can't even tell when you close your eyes and rub your finger across that. That's at the point where I can maybe scuff sand a little extra or whatever, but I think I might omit spraying a flash coat of lacquer on here because these old Martins can get a lot of wax and stuff on the lacquer over the years, and you get a really bad fisheye effect. It pretty much ruins the finish when you spray lacquer on this old soft lacquer that's absorbed wax and things. I think I'll wipe on some shellac as a sort of sealer coat, and then I'll spray clear satin. I'll try a couple little things here before I go wiping on any clear shellac. I'm gonna get a little bit of it's called red mahogany stain, and I mixed it with a little shellac. It's just on a little Q-tip right here, and I'm just gonna go over this light colored line slightly in a couple spots where it's thickest, and put a little red color on there. I'll give that a second. And I've got put these little grain spots, these little pores that are in the wood. This is called Perfect Brown. It's a brush tip marker. I can just put a few little dots. Couple pores. Here and there. Let that dry. Then I can wipe on some shellac. We'll see what happens. Platinum blonde shellac. I'm going to wipe some on and see how it blends in. There's the first coat. How did that blend? It's blending in pretty good. I think maybe 10 coats. I don't know, mate. Let's do 6 coats of this shellac, kind of as a primer sealer. And then I'll take it down and I'll spray on some clear satin. cedar satin lacquer. Just stringing her on up for the first time. See if we can snap that head back off of there.